When it comes to fostering imagination and creativity, digital technology in early childhood education can play a crucial role in achieving this. In a digital world, digital technology has the potential to open up new avenues for young children to explore, learn, and express themselves. This video will help you understand how does technology affect children's creativity. In a recent video, I highlighted the impact of technology in early childhood education. While there are concerns, it is important to recognize that technology can provide valuable opportunities for fostering creativity and imagination. Throughout this workshop, you will find preschool creative activities that provide opportunities for young children to learn with and through digital technologies such as interactive learning, robotics, music creation, digital storytelling, and art. Not to mention video editing possibilities. Other benefits can stem from computer adventure games that require young children to problem solve, generate their own ideas, and even engage with others online in creative ways. Research has shown that these types of activities encourage learners to design and create things. For young children, these digital devices are merely a feature of their native environment. And so, as many of them start to converge, so the flexibility of their application continues to grow. Here are some ways in which technology can affect children's creativity. Number one, technology has transformed human experiences. Today, we are no longer separated by time and space, but in some way working off the same massive database. Information has become more accessible, and this also includes personal contact. Social media and video conferencing is an example of this. Technology and automation have streamlined the process of collaboration, and this has propelled creative expression with technology. The second one is mixing and remixing. And there is a difference between information and knowledge. Knowledge is personal, while information is storable and a fungible entity. Today, combining ideas no longer takes any particular skill, as the process has become so automated that it ceases to be associated with personal expressions. The third way is it simulates failure. In some way, most creative acts are failures. In the digital world, young children can simulate failure, and not only learn from this, but can correct any mistakes easily. Technology enhances creativity by drastically reducing the cost of actualizing our intent. People can search domains, mix and match ideas, and test concepts almost effortlessly. And this means that even young children can try out a lot more possibilities and increase their chances of producing something truly outstanding. And finally, the fourth one is the rise of the creative class. Creativity is becoming an intrinsic part of working life as well as school life because education also reflects changes in society. As we are becoming a more technological society, we are also becoming a more creative society due to the fact that many tasks have been automated. Furthermore, technology increases our potential to engage in the types of experiences that lead to great creativity. So, those are the 4 ways that technology can affect children's creativity.